Step 1. Gather your components. You'll need the following: CPU or processor, which is basically the brain of your PC. Motherboard. Make sure to choose one that's compatible with your CPU and other components. RAM or memory. At least 16 GB is recommended for gaming. GPU, also known as the graphics card. This is essential for gaming performance. Storage. An SSD for speed, at least 500 GB, and optionally an HDD for extra storage. Power supply unit or PSU. Ensure it has sufficient wattage. Check the GPU and CPU requirements. Case. A PC case with adequate space and cooling options. Cooling system. Either a stock or aftermarket air or liquid cooler for the CPU. And finally, peripherals. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, and an operating system like Windows. Step 2. Prepare your workspace. Choose a clean, static-free surface. Gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and some cable ties. Unbox all components and check the manuals for specific instructions. Step 3. Install the CPU. Open the motherboard's CPU socket cover. Align the CPU with the socket by matching the triangle marks. Place the CPU gently into the socket and secure it with the latch. Step 4. Install the RAM. Identify the correct DIMM slots using the motherboard manual. Open the slot clips, align the notch on the RAM stick, and press firmly until it clicks. Step 5. Install the motherboard into the case. First, attach standoffs to the case to prevent short circuits. Then, align the motherboard with the standoffs and secure it using screws. Finally, connect the case cables like the power button, reset, and USB ports to the motherboard. Step 6. Install storage drives. Attach SSDs or HDDs to the designated bays in the case. After that, connect the drives to the motherboard using SATA cables or directly to an M2 slot. Step 7. Install the power supply or PSU. Mount the PSU in the case, usually at the bottom. Then, route the PSU cables neatly for better airflow. Step 8. Install the GPU. First, remove the appropriate slot cover on the case. Then, align the GPU with the PCIe slot on the motherboard and press firmly until it clicks. Finally, secure the GPU with screws and connect it to the PSU. Step 9. Install the cooling system. For air cooling, attach the cooler to the CPU using the included brackets and thermal paste. For liquid cooling, follow the manufacturer's instructions to mount the radiator and pump. Step 10. Cable management. Connect power cables to the CPU, GPU, motherboard, and storage devices. Tidy cables using cable ties to improve airflow. Step 11. Test the build. Double check connections. Connect the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Turn on the power and check for boot up. You know, the BIOS screen. Step 12. Install the operating system. Insert a bootable USB or DVD with your operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions to install. Install drivers for your GPU and other components. Step 13. Optimize and enjoy. Update Windows and all drivers. Install your favorite games and tweak graphic settings for optimal performance. Join our channel for more how-to and how things are made videos.